How to contact SendGrid support. So first is basically go to their website, and once you're logged in, you just simply need to hover to this question mark icon here on the top right section, then click on it. Then you will see the help and support option right here. So just simply click on that. Then you will be redirected in a new site. Now the next thing that you want to do is just simply log in with your account right here. So click on login. And now as you can see, I'm currently logged in, and you just simply need to scroll down. Then you will see the option of contact support right here. So just simply click on it to submit a support request. And after that, you'll be brought right here on the AI Help Center Assistant. Then you could ask your questions here, but if you want to contact support, just simply click on how do I contact support right here. Then it will reply to you like this. So you just simply need to put your problem or your question right here so that they can route your ticket to the right person or to the right customer support representative. And once you've done that, you just simply need to wait until they respond to you. And that's how you basically contact SendGrid support.